on, and in. At is used to specify a specific time. For example, I will meet you at 3 p.m. I will meet you at 3 p.m. means you will meet at the exact time of 3 p.m. On is used to specify days and dates. For example, I have a meeting on Monday. I have a meeting on Monday refers to the day of the week. And my birthday is on the 15th of May. My birthday is on the 15th of May refers to a specific date. In is used to specify longer periods of time, such as months, seasons, years, or more general time frames. For example, I will go on vacation in July. I will go on vacation in July refers to the month of July, and she was born in 1990. She was born in 1990 specifies the year.